Hi and welcome to Little Bits Honeybees YouTube I can't even talk, YouTube channel. I'm the Skinny Bee Man. What we got going on today is on Monday, this is Saturday. I split a double deep 8-frame box and made splits for some AI-eyed queens. And that double deep 8-frame box had 8 frames of capped brood and 8 frames of honey. That's a little excessive for this time of year. So I'm thinking they might have been 2 queens in it. I found the one, but I'm thinking they might have been 2 queens. So for protection, I'll show you what we got and what we're going to look for. Got the AI-eyed queen right here. She's alive and doing well. If you can see, I got it taped up so they couldn't let her out. A couple things we want going in here. We're going to look and see if there's any fresh eggs in this box. That'll be a sign of a queen in this box. And we're looking for queen cells. If there's any queen cells on this, we're going to get them knocked out. This is a daughter out of Tennessee queen that I went and got. And she is bred to an Ohio queen that's a proven chewer. There's a queen cell right here. They might accept that queen with a queen cell, but as soon as that queen cell hatches out, right here, as soon as that queen cell hatches out, she'll kill the other queen. Virgin always wins. Gotta look pretty close. A lot of polished cells, but I so far haven't seen any eggs. Kind of hard. Here's another queen cell right here. Hive beetle, got him. Another queen cell. Got rid of that. This is something you kind of got to watch out for even anytime you're introducing a queen. They make them queen cells. When that virgin hatches out, even if they accepted the queen, she'll kill the queen you put in there. There we got 4. They don't fall back down in there. 4, 6. We know there's not a queen in here. There's queen cells. They wouldn't be making queen cells if there was a queen in here. So we're pretty comfortable on that. That's 6 cells, and we cut one out already, so that's 7 cells we cut out of this box. Nothing but a honey frame there. I really don't want to set her in the sun, but I have to for a second. Make sure we ain't got no more cells on this side. Okay, so this box is good to go. If you can see, if they're accepting the queen, you'll be able to take your fingers and just barely touch. I ain't even touching them bees, and they're moving off that cage. You see that? They just all moved off the cage. If they're not, if they're wanting to kill a queen, they'll be glued on there like Velcro. You can't get them off. Oh, we got to take the tape off of her. We can turn her loose now. She's been in here 5 days, taped up. We're going to get them where so they can chew her out now. Take the tape off. Put her back down in there. Okay, so there wasn't no queen in that hive. That's good. Brick stands up, shows that I've got a cage queen in there. Okay, let me move you over. Do a little wider shot this time. You see what we was going through, so you can see what's happening. We'll open it up just a little bit. Okay, this is another split out of that box. And this one here is another A-eyed queen. This one here is a Martha Carpenter F1 to the Ohio proven biter chewer. Make sure we don't have a queen in here. Ain't got no shade on this one. I'm gonna have to set her down away from the hive while I'm doing this. I definitely don't want her in the sun. She's still alive and well. We're gonna lay her down right here in the shade. Then we're gonna go through the box and same thing. We're looking for eggs. We're looking for a queen. We're looking for queen cells. These bees flying around. I took mommy away. No eggs on that frame. No queen, no eggs. Queen cell. I haven't got the door open, so I can't see if I'm saving battery, but right here's a queen cell. So that's a pretty good indication that there's not a queen in here. And there could have been 2 queens in that box, and both of them could have been left with the original hive. But 8 frames of capped brood this time of year is pretty unheard of. I see another queen cell on the other side. So there's no queen in this box either. Got rid of it. You gotta watch them. They try to hide them real good. There we go. We got 2 more queen cells up here. One right here. And that's where they hide them. They hide them on the sides and the bottom. You'll miss them. There's a lot of bees on there. See, there's 2 more on the other side. 3 more on the other side. They got enough capped brood in here. My queen gets laying, that brood hatches out, she'll have a fairly good nest. It's getting a little late in the year, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know if you can hear that or not. This box is roaring. I took this queen off the top. They know mommy's gone. There again, you just take your finger. I ain't even touching them bees, and they're just coming right off of there. That's a real good sign. Oh, I'm about to put her in there again with the tape on it. That ain't gonna do no good. That's what I got in here for. Take the tape off. Hopefully you can see a little green dot running around in there. Okay, now they're set. Hopefully they don't kill her. There's nothing ever guarantee. I went to a lot of precautions to make sure she didn't get killed. Set my brick on top. Like I said, we done 3. We got 1 more. We might as well look at it too. We went from total sun to total shade. Hopefully this camera changed things back. We better open it up and look at it. Yeah, it appears to be all right. Okay, let's see what we got in this one. Now this didn't come out of the double deep H split. This is just one I pulled the queen out of and put the AI breeder in. So I'm pretty sure this doesn't have a queen in it, but it's probably got some queen cells. Let's see if we're taking care of her. Come out of there. This box is a little tight. Oh yeah, they're taking good care of her. This is a queen in here. It's basically been, she's a 3-year-old survivor, and she's going downhill. She's been in this box all summer and not filled this 5-frame box up. I just hadn't got around to replacing her. So, out with the old, in with the new. No, What about missed them? Them was camouflaged, a little bit different color there. Come out there. There's 1, 2. I'll look just a little closer to make sure I didn't mess up. 2 on this side. Okay, we got all the queen cells off. That one. And that's all pollen frame. There basically ain't nothing in that frame. We're going to leave it out for a while. Make it not so tight, getting this queen in here. Whoop, there again, I got to take the tape off. I keep forgetting that. Something I don't usually have to do. And I would tell you what this AI queen is, but I can't remember. Can't remember right offhand. Stand the brick up so I know that there's a cage queen in there. I'll give you guys a shot of this. Oh, fell down. Shot of this feed station here. Maybe. Let me hold it up there. Oh, not up far enough. There we go. Can just barely see. Oh, it's still too low there. That's what the problem was. They're working on it. If you like the videos, hit the subscribe button, the bell next to it. Get notified when we make new videos. And you guys have a blessed day.